Welcome to another video. Here's another question on functions and equations. Functions f and g are defined by f of x. F of x is given to be x squared plus 3 and g of x is x plus 5. Write down and simplify expressions for composite function fg of x, composite function g f of x. Alright, so also hence solve the equation. So when this is equals to this, what will be the value of x? Alright, so we're given f of x. F of x is equals to x squared plus 3. Okay, and g of x is equals to x plus 5. So the first question is to write an expression for composite function fg of x. So for fg of x, okay, this is same as that is, I'm going to put g of x into f of x. So this will be g of x, okay, raised to the power of 2 plus 3. And we have that g of x is equals to x plus 5. So which means fg of x, which is this composite function, will be square brackets, that will be x plus 5, okay, raised to the power of 2 plus 3. Now I can expand this. This will be x squared plus 10x plus 25, then plus 3. So that x squared plus 10x plus 28 is the expression for the composite function fg of x. So this is the expression for fg of x. Now for Roman numeral 2, the expression for gf of x. Okay, so this is when I'm going to substitute f of x into for x in g of x. So which means this will be the expression will be, so instead of x, I'm going to write f of x then plus 5. So which means that the expression for gf of x, that is this composite function, will be x squared plus 3 then plus 5. So that this will be x squared plus 8 because 3 plus 5 is 8. So this is the expression for gf of x. That's the composite function. Now b, okay, b, solve the equation. Okay, to solve the equation fg of x equals to gf of x. So it means that the expression we got for fg of x, which is x squared plus 10x plus 28, okay, it will be equals to x squared plus 8. It will be equals to x squared plus 8. Okay, all right, so now x squared minus x squared, that's I can subtract x squared from both sides so that the left hand side will reduce to 10x plus 28 and the right hand side will reduce to 8. Now again, I'm going to subtract 28 from both sides so that the left hand side will become 10x and this will be minus 20. So now let me divide both sides by 10. Divide both sides by 10 so that x will be equals to minus 2. So the value of x for which the composite function fg of x is equals to gf of x is minus 2. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.